Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to be working with words that have the U vowel sound in them. You're going to hear two sounds today. You're going to hear like in the word cup. You can see that it's the short vowel sound because it has the little smiley face above the U. And then we're going to hear U say its own name, U. And you know that because it has the long line above the U, like in the word tube. So let's go ahead and read our words, and then we'll talk about some of the sorting that you'll do today and if we have an oddball. So we have the word drum, use, cube, shut, plus, club, flute, bus, huge, jump, tube, tune, June, mule. Then we have cute, just, hunt, cut, such, rude, put. So I'm going to go ahead and write these words in here for you. Bus, mule, cut. Alrighty. Oh, and then we have the word plus. So let's go ahead and we'll use blue for our sounds. We have the word cup here. You hear The next word drum, you also hear So you'll go ahead and read all the words and look for the words that say In our long vowel sound that says its own name, U, like in tube, you'll notice that we have an E there. We call this a vowel consonant E. The vowel is U. Our consonant, in this case, is a B, and then E on the end. The E on the end makes the U say its own name. So like in the word tube that we have in our header, but also in the word use, you have the vowel, the consonant, and then the E. That's making the U say its own name. Be careful this week. You also have the word June. That is a month of the year, and it has to be capitalized because it's a proper noun. It's a name. So our oddball today is going to be the word put. The reason that it's put is because you hear when you say the word put. You don't hear or u. There is no E on the end, so it's not a long vowel sound, and it makes a different sound than in the word cup. Normally we would think just because the U is by itself and it has a consonant after and before it, it would say but in this case it's saying So be careful with that one. That is your oddball this week. All right, kiddos, I'd like you to go in, read every word, listen to what U sound it makes, and choose the correct color that you're choosing for your sort today. Happy sorting.